these items at her father, who was passed out drunk on the couch. Very, very, very sad case. Let me bring back in my guests. Very seasoned trial attorneys, Marie Pereira and Jamie White, on the show today to help me with this. Jamie, let me go to you first on this one. You practice in the state of Michigan. If any viewers are just now joining us, you shared a short time ago. This is not too far from where you are. You've practiced at that courthouse. As a matter of fact, I believe you've tried cases in that very courtroom where they're having this trial today. And you've said that this is a very conservative area, a very wealthy area of the town. And you don't think that this defendant is going to walk away scot-free, but maybe not convicted of the most serious charges. What do you think about the charging here on this one, Jamie? Do you think it's appropriate? What, if anything, should have been adjusted differently by the state of Michigan?
I think the charging is appropriate. I think that, it certainly fits the facts and circumstances, and I think the jury is going to be able to filter through this evidence and make an appropriate decision. I think the defense, what we just heard, Julie, to your point about the community, why are they talking about the condition of the home? Why are they talking about his level of intoxication outside of the fact that it potentially contributed to his death? It's because the people in this community really don't tolerate this. I mean, it's a very populated part of the area. It's not far from Detroit, but it is conservative, and I think the defense is trying to dehumanize the victim to some degree, and I think they're successfully doing it. Whether or not that's part of the jury instructions, it's being planted in the juror's head that this young woman was, and in fact was, living in Hades, for lack of a better description. This was not an environment for young children to be living in, which ultimately, I think people could speculate, led to her outrage on this particular day. Again, I don't know that this will be part of the jury instructions, but I do think the charging is appropriate, and I think that they're doing an effective job at dehumanizing the victim.
Appreciate it, Jamie. Marie Pereira, something I was thinking about. I don't know if the defense wanted to present the evidence about the house being in